Construct geometric figures, perpendicular lines. Let us understand how to construct perpendicular lines. Let's draw a line segment AB with length 7 centimeters. Now, widen the compass to any length, say 3 to 4 centimeters, and using point A as the center, draw two arcs, one above and the other below the line segment AB. Using the same width, we now place the point of the compass at point B. We draw two arcs, one above and the other below the line segment AB, intersecting the previous two arcs. We mark the intersection points of the arcs as Q and R. Now, we draw a line passing through Q and R. This vertical line segment, QR, is perpendicular to the horizontal line segment, AB.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.